how to fix account restricted on DHgate. So I'm going to show you a few different things that you have to do. The first thing that I suggest doing is changing your password. Sometimes simply changing your password will give you access back to your DHgate account. If that doesn't work, then you will need to contact DHgate directly. For this, you might need to make a second account here, and then you will click on the account button at the bottom. Then you want to scroll down until you see more features, and you want to select contact us. Right here you will choose order related problem or report an issue, and then what you have to do is you will need to search for restricted account here, and once you search for restricted account, then you will need to contact DHgate and explain the issue which you are facing with your main account. So you will explain that you are trying to unlock your main account, and they will further assist you with this issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.